want to grab your audience's attention and make them think deeply about your point? Rhetorical questions can do just that. Let's talk about how to use them effectively. A rhetorical question is a question that you ask without expecting an answer. Its purpose is to make your audience reflect on an idea or emphasize your point. For example, if you're debating the importance of exercise, you might say, "Do you want to live a healthier, happier life?" This makes the audience connect personally to your argument. Rhetorical questions are also great for challenging opposing views. If someone argues against renewable energy, you could ask, "Do we really want to continue relying on fossil fuels that harm our planet?" This forces your audience to consider the consequences of the opposing stance. Be careful not to overuse rhetorical questions, as they can lose impact. Use them at key moments where they'll add power to your argument. And remember to ask questions that are thought-provoking and relevant to your message. Rhetorical questions can engage your audience and strengthen your overall argument when delivered with confidence. Ready to level up your arguments? Start using rhetorical questions to grab attention and make your points unforgettable. Follow us for more tips and check out our virtual speech and debate classes, where we build confidence and communication skills.